Remember you,
Me acuerdo de ti,
on Sunday,
el domingo,
you, and many more people.
y 8 people
8 people, you all had bruxism,
tenían bruxismo.
okay?
Yes.
And we heal all of you guys.
Los sanamos a todos.
How do you feel? It's 5 days now. How do you feel? Do you have
Pasaron
bruxism?
5 días. ¿Cómo
Cero.
estás?
No tengo
Zero.
bruxismo.
No
tengo
more.
más
Yourself,
bruxismo.
madam?
Bien,
I'm fine.
Fine. No bruxism. Yourself?
bien,
I'm fine.
Yourself?
muy bien.
Very good. So 5 days you have no bruxism. It's
Pasaron
fantastic,
5
isn't
días y
it?
nadie tiene bruxismo de los
And you had bruxism from the day you were born, right? Who was from the day you were born? Ah, you lost 2 teeth.
Y tú ya has perdido 2 dientes.
She
por
lost 2 teeth
bruxismo.
bruxism. Yeah, now you're all fine. You understand? So, if you can,
Si pueden,
when you're sleeping, before you go sleeping, just
antes
heal your
de
mouth.
dormir, sanen su boca. The chakra
So I'm
of
checking
the mouth.
now, both the mouth
El
chakra.
y
Fine,
luego la boca.
fine, fine,
Estoy chequeando.
fine.
y su
No
boca
connection
también. No
from
hay
any
más
inner world.
conexión.
So you're
Nada
fine.
interno, está
Okay?
bien.
So please, if ever comes back, put in the group
Si vuelve
or
o tiene
heal your mouth
problema,
before you go to sleep.
Sanen su boca antes de ir a dormir.
Okay? Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Muchas gracias.